Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is part 2 of 3 on the Delco system sent in by Kevin in Houston, Texas. This one's just going to be testing the 8-Track, and then the next video is going to be testing his 8-Track and his converted radio together. So, one thing I'll mention is after with a full Delco system conversion, or if I'm converting an 8-Track to work with a reproduction or a modern radio, the controls, your volume balance and tone controls, will no longer have any effect on the 8-Track because that's all done at the radio now. The radio is going to have much better and more powerful amplifiers. It's going to sound much better than the scratchy stuff that they put in this thing 50 years ago. And so the only thing that will still work on the 8-Track is, of course, it'll play tapes, and the track change button works as well. But there's no need for these controls anymore because that's all done at the radio. Let's go ahead and pop a tape in and make sure the 8-Track works before we put them all together. Okay, check our speakers. Got both sides. Okay, check head adjustment. No crosstalk between songs. Does this kid know how to adjust the head or what?
Oh, yes, she found it. I was feeling at it. Was lonely, couldn't sleep.
Okay, I think that's good enough indication that the 8-Track's in proper working order. So the next video will be Kevin's 8-Track and radio all working together as an integrated unit, integrated system, that is. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and the system as a whole will be next.